everyone, here is the video how to make the color from natural things. Here I have used turmeric powder for yellow color and red color from kumkum, which we use in temple. Okay, I have made these colors available at you at anywhere. Okay, and for blue here I have used Ujala. Okay, red and yellow are dry colors, so we'll add drops of water to make it dry, and blue color is already in dry form. Okay. Add 2 or 3 drops of water to make it wet. These colors are available at home. Okay. So like this way we have to add the colors. You can use bowls to make colors. Okay, here I am making secondary colors from primary colors. Here I have taken red color. Okay, red, yellow and blue are primary colors. And with primary colors we can make secondary colors also. So here I have taken red color and yellow color at the side. Here I have mixed blue color and red, so the new color forms this purple color. If we mix red and blue, now we'll get purple color. Now here I am taking yellow color separately 2 times, because we have to make 2 new combination from yellow color. Red color. If we mix yellow and red, now we'll get orange color. So here the new color form is orange color from red and yellow. Now here we'll add yellow with blue to make green color. The new color which form is green. So by mixing yellow and blue we'll get green color.